Hi viewers, welcome to this video and today I will be teaching you how to add local files to Spotify iPhone and move on to our mobile. So first of all, open up your Spotify application and after opening up your Spotify application, click on your username icon and after that, you guys have to click on this third section named as setting and privacy. Just click on it. You guys have to scroll down a bit and search for local files option, just like under advertisement option. So you guys have to click on local files option. Just click on it. And after that, you guys have to enable this option named as show audio files from this device. Just click on enable it and after enable it, you guys can see your local files have been added to your library. So it's easy and that's how you guys can easily add your local files to Spotify iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel and thanks for watching.